It's Christmas in New York, a time for giving, a time for peace.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's rumble.
But beneath the streets...
Come on, Grandma!
Stay.
For two transit cops...
You know, this job can be hazardous to your health.
It's no holiday.
They say you guys are the best.
Well, modesty prevents me from... Well, no, it doesn't. We are the best.
They're not just partners. They're family.
This is your brother?
I see the resemblance.
Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud.
I mean, it does take a special kind of person to do this job.
You're not gonna hit him. Why not? Because I'm gonna hit him.
Someone with dedication,
Perseverance.
courage.
Cojones.
I am getting excited.
You just always got to be the coolest. You always got to be the smartest. You got to be the guy who gets the girl.
Let's see what you got now.
You're a bad gambler, Sonny Jim. You're in debt up to your eyeballs.
I have to look after my brother.
I can understand about you and your brother. What I'm not understanding is what's going on between you and me.
You brought the money, right?
Yes, $300.
Hey, Mother owes Mr. Brown $15,000.
15,000? Drop it.
They made their reputation by being on the edge.
You want me to admit I have a problem? Okay, I have a minute problem.
Minute. John Bobbitt, he has a minute problem. You have a sickness.
But now,
You're a disgrace to this organization. You're a wreck looking for someplace to happen.
one of them is about to step over the line.
3-4 million at least. You know what we could do with that kind of money?
We're not going to rob the money train.
Why not?
Because we're cops.
Charlie is going down, and you are the only family that he's got.
Shooters. Give me long rifles and M16s rapid fire at 30 meters.
What the hell are we gonna do? We can't stop this thing even if we wanted to. Go faster.
Get on or get out of the way.